State asigi chingtam animakta khundaminariba khudingmakna thawai panba jibasing yauna pambi singbu ngak senduna thamnanaba amadi yokhatnanaba hotnasi haina Chief Minister na appeal tawrakli. Amasung Tripurada pangthokadoriba National Handloom Expo 2020 da saruk yarunaba lamdam asigi artisan homfu mangana saba team amangasi Imphal thadokre. Mayam bukurum jari adom niyang bidi basa Impact News ni ay pinki okram na huzi pung jasi bagi maru iba pausing miyam da pizari. State asigi chinga masungtam animakta khunda minariba mipum khudingmakna thawai panba jibasing yauna pambi singbu ngak senduna thamnanaba amadi yokhatnanaba hotnaminasi haina Chief Minister Nongthombam Birena appeal tawrakli. Wafam asi Babu Parada leiba CM Secretary ta pangthokiba State asigi Forest Department gi Dynamic and Interactive haina mingthonba official website ama launch tawbagi thoramda phongdokhibani. Website adu launch tawraduna CM na makhata na hai State asigi ching amasung tamda mapung oiba ching area da masak khanglaba amadi khangdriba medicinal plant kaya marang kaina hauri asigumba makhal makha kaya ge pambi sing asi systematically monitor tawrabadi hailiba medicinal plants sing adugi sel yamna tanba yagani masina state asigi revenue hegat hanba ngamgani maram masina lona yadaba maongda maram chadana uwa pangyanda yanba amadi thawai panba jiba sing panghat hatpa asi thingnana bohotna minasi ngasi honglakliba hangdokliba website asina Forest Department gi authority ga hakthengnana pau fauna bangam lagani loinana madugi khudong chaba adu hakthengnana state asigi miyamda piba ngam lagani haiki
wildlife preserve toksi phajana khoi masi hatlaga kholaga pangsada saba panghata hatpa tawbuse masi hobby oina tawba some in hills areas in the mainly say hilly people sing the chignaw sing the request oningi yamna atangba species gumbasi pahata halaga mangan basi tawhan bidaba zabi daba happy daba hoi tangai fadaba koi food ki damak the food variety ki damak koi edum internationally acceptable legally acceptable koi laite banate adu gumbadu da sena biraga aduga aina ya da busing di to bidra kana yokhat pa ai pame aduga maru ena koi forest ki product maram sadana magi maturity oidna kakthat pa manghan ba tawbasimaga
Tripurada pangthokadoriba National Handloom Expo 2020 da saruk yarunanaba lamdamasigi artisan homfu mangana saba team amangasi Imphal thadokre. National Handloom Expo sina lamdamasigi khutsa haibagi potlam sing national gi thakta utpa ngambata natana Tripuraga Thangnana leriba Bangladesh ta state asigi potlum sing yonba haunabagi lambi ama yat pangam lagani haina handlooms and textiles ki director Lamli Kamaina phongdokre tha asigi mangadagi hauraga taranipan fauba Agartala da pangthokadoriba National Handloom Expo 2020 da saruk yarugadaba lamdamasigi artisan sing asi nitaipa chuthektagi Directorate of Handlooms and Textiles ki director Lamli Kamaina lamthaki tour asiga mari leinana Lamli Kamaina haikibada Development Commissioner for Handloom, Ministry of Textiles, Government of India na sponsor tauduna Directorate of Handlooms and Textiles, Government of Manipur gi mityang makhada lamdam asigi akhanaba team ama National Handloom Expo da saruk yahaliba asi maru oina lamdam asigi artisan singi makhoi gi oiba khutsa haibagi potlam singi kaithel thiba loinana malem gi kaithel da aikhoi gi oiba potlam sing asi yonba matamda kari awat apa leibagi haibadu nainabagi tanja ama launana bani haiki
Mapung oiba pandamdi akoi lamge pothok sing asi atopa minaibakta puraga yoluraga koigi lalon itiki maramda amadi akoigi mina pami ba posai singdo kram makhan gi posai pamge hebadu madu khangdona bagi damakta koigi lamge si mi gi lebakta chalorokanda mayamna apambadu amu hala kanda minaibakta sumba posai yam pamgalli sumaina saraga mina akoina lalon itik tobasi hena phagani hebagi lawsing gyan adu launaba amadi koigi lamsigi posai sing asi minaibakta chalaga yoluraga maduna senthok khadoiraga su tanba yanabidamakta chinjaba adumana pangthokjaba program amani asmana expo sida chalaga pangthokrakanda masigi lamsida puthoi poching si minaibakta yolaga pisarum sa tawjariba imai belisation khudimangna makoi gi tanjanabagi sanda lambi adu akoi khar phangjanaba haidana akoi da chinjaba program amani
Manipur University ki Administrator Journal Singh Iba with 4 Prime Ministers my PMO journey haina mingthonba punsi wari lairik amangasi mahaki loinabi Manipuri ningol Serafina Singna phongkre Panbayai English Singamga Chamapan Marfutaruk Hauna Journal Singna Manipur the Laktuna SDO Commissioner Oina Thaupuram Ki Lunana English Singamga Chamapan Marfutara Taruk English Singaniga Supna Mari Fauba Prime Minister Office ta Joint Secretary Oina Su Thaupuram Laba Matungda Chahi Adu Maktaki English Sing Aniga Supna Nipan Fauba Manipur gi Chief Secretary Oina Hiram Kayada Achaupa Thaudang Lauram Ki Public servant ama oina Manipur miyam gi chawkhat thorang kaya da saruk yam ramlaba matungda thabak tagi potharaga haukiba ing lising ani ga supna tarani panda Manipur University gi administrator oina nauna thopura khibani Hotel Imphal da pangthokiba lairik phongpagi thoramaduda sarukya khiba PHED Minister Losi Dikhona Manipur da laklam khiba public servant singi lakta journal singna iramdam asigi damakta kathok lamba amadi mahaki mathau masak khangba gun singthabagi loiba nairoi Mahaki ahanba punsi wari lairik My Twist with Manipur da mahakna state asigi miyambu kayamuk yamna nungsiba amadi state asigi chawkhat thorang singda kayamuk yamna mayong yarambagi haibadu sengna takli haina thagat pa phongdokhi
Close association with Janel ji, I always appreciate the concern and the love that he has for Manipur. I do not say that people are not working fully for the state, for the people, but I always admire the dedication and commitment given by Janel ji to our state. Close association.
Ngasigi thauramatuda journal singna Manipur da thabak tauba phangjarubadagi PMO gi loisangda Joint Secretary oina thaupuba phangjabani mahaki pokna fam Punjab ta adumak leiram labadi thaupuba asi puba phanglamdaba su yai haina mahakna Manipur miyambu thagat pa phongdokhi nakal amaromda ngasigi thauramatuda saruk yakhiba Kakching MLA Y Surchandrana journal singna Manipur gi Chief Secretary oina thaupuringe matamda state asigi chawkhat thorang kayada chawna mayong yaduna lakhi haina thagat pa phongdokhi
So I have mentioned all those negative things, the positive things, but broadly I have written book in a positive perspective how the political economy, the infrastructure development took place over the period of these 8 years. And I am thankful that I got a job, I got into PMO. My feeling is that because of my work in Manipur. If I was in Punjab, I might not have gone there.
Manipur gi ching amasung tamgi mafam kayada logi wangmada chalairiba sawmill sing forest department na takhaiba haurakpa asi achumba khongthangni adubu michang mikhai naina takhaibadi tawbiganu haina Wildlife and Biodiversity Conservation Committee WBCC Manipur amasung Unique Wildlife Protection Committee UWLPC Manipur na phongdorakli Unique Wildlife Protection Committee UWLPC Manipur gi office da paumi singu unaba mada WBCC gi Secretary General Romesh Ningthauzamna Manipur da lairiba tongan ba department singna miyam gi yenglaga asigumba thabak paikhalakpa asi miyam gi laibak phabani adubu thabak ama hek tawrakpa matamda angam athau sing khukan panganba singna mityeng hegek tasilakpagi mai pakpa ngamdaba fawba yawkhre sawmill khara thingjallabasu Thobal Forest Range ki manung chana leiba Yairipok area Imphal East District manung chanba Yairipok ki mafam khara yawna androgi tongan ba mafam singda logi wangmada sawmill sing maning tamna mathau tahori haina phongdorakhi thokibaka loinana member sing amadi leibak miyamda yaifa pausel pirakli lona thinkraba lalahlup asigi raising day gi thoram asi lalahlup asigi general headquarter da pangthoki hairi lalahlup asina makhoi gi raising day ga mari leinana Manipur asi namphu da lausin khibani leibak asigi miyamna amatta oina punsin duna chatminarabadi mang khiba ning khatamba adu hanjillakani haiki Matang swice break amalawjagi break ki matungda sangai purauda leiba Lyric Institute of Nursing da manga suba batch GNM tamlibi mahairoi singi capping lamp lighting amadi oath taking ceremony pangthokibagi pau amadi Manipur amasung malem gi tongan bi pau sing puduna lakjage impact news pumi eng taduna lebiu mayam bamukha na taram nok cheri bulletin asiki makhata ba pau miyam da pizari Imphal West ki sangai purauda laiba Lyric Institute of Nursing da manga suba batch JNM tamlibi mahiroi sing capping lamp lighting amadi oath taking ceremony ki thoram amanga si pangthokre thoram matuta saruk yakiba Rims Hospital gi hanagi director Professor Dr. Chongtham Arun Kumar na haikibada nurse ki sinfam asi yamna kathokpa amadi lemjaninga oiba sinfam ni malem gi laiba kayana Manipur gi nursing bu yamna pamnarakli masi lamdam asi gi nursing na sinfam asi da kathokpa mathong masak khangba amadi Minok Michan Fana Thabak Tobukini Haiki. Thoramasida Medical Directorate ki Additional Director Dr. Ais Bebicha Amadi Lyric Institute of Nursing Secretary Gina Tongramna Sarukyaki.
In the very near future, there will be no drivers, there will be no pilots. Everything will be automated, and of course one exception that to how long we do not know is the medical profession, which is becoming more and more computerized and invaded by the algorithms of artificial intelligence. However, nurses will remain. Without nurses, I do not think artificial intelligence and computerization can go a long way in treating our patients.
Differently able oiraba miyoi singidamakta paikhatliba tongan ba welfare scheme amadi program singi matangda numinini chupna chathagadaba orientation program amangasi palace compound laiba lamyanba sanglenda haudokre. Disability Cell Social Welfare Department Sinduna Pangthokiba Tharomatu the Sarukiyakiba Social Welfare Director NG Uttamna Differently Able Oiraba Miyoi Singidamakta Paikhatliba Scheme Kaya Mai Pakna Chata Hininglabasu Ninghanaba Kaya Lairi Chief Minister ki Sotharaba Singiteng Bangi component Mari ki Manungda component Ahumdi Differently Able Oiraba Miyoi Singa Chauna Lainei Scheme Asiki Makhada Piriba Tengbang Cell Sing Asi Hengat haning bagi apamba miyamda lairabasu state ki resource watpana hengat pangamdana lairi resource henkalakpaga soidana tengbang sel henkalakani haiki
Lairiba scheme jingsi kharena paisa chawna bihaning bagi apamba dum lainari state ki resource big bana ngasai gi mayam gi ningbo thungan ba ngamdabagi wani aduna masisu state ki resource chawkhalakpagi matungina sarkar na susoi soidana chawkhalakani akhoi persons with disabilities in sigi khudong jaba dum matam gi pirakani hawjik laibak thiridi sumaina lairiba scheme kharesi bawbada persons with disability da mapung phana yaude hanasi government ne department na hek paikhatpa topa department oiro akhoi gi oiro masigi scheme yaudagi khwaidagi chawba maram se kari hoge da awareness watpa Sigumba scheme lay masi phamgada sigi document chani sigi office da chatlaga sigi misam mioi je tanaraga hai river scheme si phangani lupa su phangani matam sum changani haibana chingbagi awareness ya tokimatik wale
Hearing for life, don't let hearing lost limit you. Haiba pandamda malem gi mafam kayada World Hearing Day 2020 pangthok nabagum Thoubal district tasu pangthokre. Numit asiga mari lainana nongmagi oiba ENT camp amangasi Thoubal wangmataba parking da laiba Siza Information Center da pangthokre. Siza ENT Hospital sanagai thel sintuna pangthokiba camp aduda miyoi kaya marum lemna Ana layang bagi khutong chaba fangan khipaga loinana Lions Club Thoubal Greater Centuria ki members sing nasu voluntary mateng pangki India government ki interlocutor oriba RN Ravina Nagaland posta NSNIM na peace process Thinthana Buhonare Haiduna Fondo Kibadu, India government ka peace talk Chathariba, Nagaland Gilal Hulup, NSNIM na Semjaba Government of the People's Republic of Nagaland na Nabani Hairakli. Lal Hulup Asina Thadorakpa Cherol Amada, Framework Agreement ki wafam Asina, Karigumba Chayet Naba, Thokadaba Laite, Agreement Asina, Indo Nagagi Oiba, Chahi Kayadagi Lairakiba, Conflict Adu, Loisanaba Yumbi Oibani Hairakli. Hauzik Sanabagi Pau. Hauzik chathariba Hero I League ta ngasi league match ani sanagani. League asigi ngasi sanagadaba ahanba league match ta Indian Arrows amadi Minerva Punjab ani na lamba taunaragani. Hairiba match asigi ngasi numidang wairam pung mga taba matamda Mumbai gi The Corporate Ground da sanagani. League asigi ngasi sanagadaba ani suba league match ta Kerala Gokulam amadi East Bengal ani na lamba taunagani. Hairiba match asigi ngasi numidang pung tare taba matamda Kerala gi EMS Stadium da sanagani. League asigi table da Mohan Bagan na point kuntra mga fangduna ahanba position da lairi. Aroibada bulletin asigi headlines amukahna miyam da thamzari. State asigi chingtam animakta khundaminariba khudingmakna thawai panba jibasing yauna pambi singbu ngakti senbiduna thamnanaba amadi yokhatnanaba hotnaminasi haina Chief Minister na appeal tawrakli. Amasung Tripura da pangthokadoriba National Handloom Expo 2020 da saruk yarunanaba lamdamasigi artisan homfu mangana saba team amangasi Imphal thadokre.